Hello there guys, and in this Linux tutorial, hosted as always by me, and my name is Mislav, and my voice just cracked, so that's a little bit funny. I don't know why does an adult have voice crackling, but anyway, we are going to talk about the command path, okay? So basically, today we are going to talk about a special kind of environment variable, the path variable, also known as the command path. This variable stores all the places your operating system will look for executables. And to recall, executables are a type of a command. Okay, so an executable is another name for an ordinary program. What this means is that every time you modify or append something to your path variable, you are in essence telling the operating system, look for the executable in this directory as well. If you have multiple directories containing the same executable, the operating system will take the first one it finds. Okay? So if we wanted to see how my command path looks like, I would write echo and then $sign and path. Now this $sign is used so that I actually see the contents of the path variable. Okay, and I press enter and I can see that I have this entire thing as in my command paths. So what that means is that my operating system, when it's looking for some executables, is going to search for all of these folders. And again, if it finds something, for example, here, let's say I'm looking for a particular executable and it finds it here, and it doesn't matter that, for example, that executable exists here, it is going to use this one because this is the one it found first. Okay, so that's what I was saying. And basically, you can see that the different paths where to look for executables are delimited with a colon. So that's one thing to note. And why does this even exist? So let's talk about why does this exist. Well, this is convenient for the operating system because it tells the operating system where to look for executables. Because otherwise, the operating system would have to search through the entire computer looking for your executables. Okay, so this way we kind of ease the job of the operating system so that it doesn't have to search the entire computer. Okay, so this was it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new and something interesting, and after all, most importantly, something useful. And I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Talk soon.